Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Collecting rainwater without traditional gutters might seem challenging, but it's entirely feasible and can be incredibly rewarding for gardening, emergency preparedness, or simply reducing your water bill. The key is understanding how water naturally flows and then designing simple systems to capture it. One of the most straightforward methods involves using large tarps or plastic sheeting. You can spread a clean tarp over an open area, creating a slight depression in the center where a bucket, barrel, or even a kiddie pool can be placed. Angle the edges of the tarp upwards, perhaps by propping them with bricks or logs, to direct all the rainfall towards that central collection point. Ensure the tarp is secured to prevent it from blowing away in windy conditions, and always use food-grade tarps or liners if the water is intended for anything beyond basic irrigation. Another effective technique, especially if you have an existing roof line, is to place rain barrels directly under the drip line of your roof. Even without gutters, the water will naturally sheet off the edge. Position multiple barrels side by side or strategically to catch the most runoff. To minimize debris like leaves and twigs from entering your barrels, consider placing a fine mesh screen over the opening of each barrel. This acts as a rudimentary first flush diverter and keeps out insects. For larger-scale ground-level collection, you can design simple earthworks like swales or rain gardens. A swale is a shallow ditch on contour that slows down and infiltrates rainwater into the soil, but it can also be designed with a low point to collect water in a lined basin or pond. Rain gardens are slightly depressed areas planted with water-loving vegetation that absorb and filter runoff, but again, a small, impermeable collection zone could be integrated. Remember, for any ground-level collection, consider the soil's permeability and ensure you have a plan for mosquito control, such as regular emptying or using mosquito dunks. For smaller, more portable solutions, large inverted umbrellas or pop-up canopies can be surprisingly effective. By inverting a sturdy umbrella and placing a container beneath it, you create a funnel that directs water directly into your storage. Similarly, a pop-up canopy can have its fabric adjusted to create a central sag, funneling water into a drum. Securing these against wind is paramount, and they are generally better suited for smaller volumes or temporary needs. You can also improvise simple funnels or chutes directly from the edge of a roof or structure. Flexible downspouts, cut-open plastic bottles, or even heavy-duty plastic sheeting can be fashioned into temporary channels, directing water from a specific point on the roof edge into a bucket or barrel. Attach these securely with zip ties, ropes, or clamps. Regardless of the method you choose, always prioritize pre-filtering the water to remove larger debris. A simple cloth, window screen, or even a layer of gravel at the bottom of your collection container can make a big difference. For long-term storage, use opaque containers to prevent algae growth and elevate them slightly to allow for easy spigot access. While most rainwater collected without gutters is best used for non-potable purposes like gardening or toilet flushing, if you plan to use it for drinking, it must be properly treated through boiling, chemical purification, or a robust filtration system. Always be mindful of the structural integrity of your collection setup and regularly inspect for any blockages or pest issues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable living tips.